Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, voice activation, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.